English Grammar Standard 5 Descriptive Essay. Write a descriptive essay. Now I am going to teach you how to write a descriptive essay. A descriptive essay is an essay that describes something, an object or person, an event or place, an experience or emotion, or an idea. The goal of this kind of essay is to provide readers with enough detailed descriptions for them to be able to picture or imagine the chosen topic. Descriptive writing. The primary purpose of descriptive writing is to describe a person, place, or thing in such a way that a picture is formed in the reader's mind. Capturing an event through descriptive writing involves paying close attention to the details by using all of your 5 senses. How to write a descriptive essay. Pick engaging topic. Step 1. Pick engaging topic with a descriptive essay. You need to show your readers what you are trying to describe by illustrating a picture in their mind. For that, you need to choose an engaging topic. For example, like my best friend, or the book I love the most, or my favorite singer, or my teacher, or the first day at my school. These are like pick engaging topic. These are the engaging topics. So you have to select one topic. Step 2. Create statement. Introductory paragraph that sets out your topic framework. Create statement. This is a single idea that will be prominent throughout your essay. This is an introductory paragraph that sets out your topic framework. Step 3. Draft an outline. The next step is listing the details of the discussions of each paragraph. A 5-paragraph essay has an introductory section, followed by 3 main body paragraphs, and then the conclusion. So always remember, 5-paragraph essay has first an introductory section, 2, 3 main body paragraphs, and the third is conclusion. Step 4. Start writing. Once the outline is drafted, you have to start writing. Now, once the outline is drafted, you have to start writing the essay. Make the introductory section eye-catching, main body informative, and the conclusion precise. Step 5. Read the entire essay. Have an eye on the style, language, and tone on the document. Rectify mistakes and make sure details provided by you give enough information to reader. Revive after writing. Read the entire essay thinking about the reader. Have an eye on the style, the language, and the tone of the document. Means about the essay. Rectify mistakes and make sure details provided by you gives enough information to the reader, the person who is reading. Hope you will make your essay more worthwhile after knowing these helpful ways. So children, here one essay I have given you all as a model. You have to write it in your essay book or in a file paper. And the next one which I have given is you have to try it on your own, practice it in your rough work, and then make it fair. Thank you. Children, tips for writing effective narrative and descriptive essay. Tell a story about a moment or event that means a lot to you. It will make it easier for you to tell the story in an interesting way. Get right to the action. Avoid long introductions and lengthy descriptions, especially at the beginning of your narrative. Make sure your story has a point. Describe what you learned from this experience. Use all 5 of your senses to describe the setting, characters, and the plot of your story. Don't be afraid to tell the story in your own voice. Nobody wants to read a story that sounds like a textbook. Okay, children, so write an essay on my best friend. This is a very easy topic. You have to first give an introduction, 1 paragraph only for the introduction, and the second part is what? The body paragraph contains how many paragraphs? 3 paragraphs, and the ending paragraph is conclusion. The last paragraph is the conclusion.